afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dave TV with Chris and Dave as the narrators for this annual event here. Mr. Jerome Malowski is coming out to Maple Park, Illinois, and we're just going to be shooting off some super fireworks. Are you excited about this, Dave?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready to hit it. Let's go, Jerry! Got a little bit of competition here with the wind, with Mother Nature. Let's go. You know, the average idiot can light a firecracker, you know that, Dave?
Yeah.
And I think we've got something below the average idiot right here in front of us, Dave. You realize this?
Yeah.
One more.
He's certainly having trouble out here today, let me tell you, everybody out there.
What an idiot.
This wind is, why is...
He doesn't know that you can't light a match in the wind. That's why they wouldn't take him at Northern.
Hey.
People in the audience are betting 21 that this guy's going to run out of matches before the firecracker goes off.
Alright. Let's cut to something else.
Here we go. Boy, every molecule's tingling now, Dave. Oh boy, I'm really excited. Wow, this is really Oh, it's a dud, ladies and gentlemen.
No, it isn't.
There we go. Jerry, pick it up.
No way.
You got another one?
Another one. One more.
All right, we're going to go for number 2 now. Boy, ladies and gentlemen, it's a Saturday afternoon, and boy, was that exciting.
Oh, one more. One more.
A lull in the audience, Dave.
I think it's a lackluster performance of the talent, Chris.
This one looks like it's gonna be a little different from the last one. Jerry, I'm not sure if that's lit. Why don't you go check it, Jerry? Jerry, why don't you go up closer and check it? Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please be safe when you drive home tonight. There's a mad rush for the parking lot right now.